Hi there. So for this video, I'm going to assume that you are okay with downloading and unzipping a zip file. So that would be what you downloaded from the website if you bought our families. And I'm just going to go through in this video and tell you what each item is for that comes with your download. So we're going to assume you bought mechanical for this video, but you could have bought the Fireplaces or the bundle that has both the mechanical and the Fireplaces. But let's just click on mechanical. All of the structure is the same for both products, for all three. So what you'll see is a folder with all of the family files. So these are the .rfa files. So this is probably what you're really wanting to get to. So if you double click on that, you'll see all of the families that you bought. The first thing you should probably read, though, is the Readme file. So if you just click and open that up, there are a couple of useful things in here. The first thing is kind of summarizes our terms of use and kind of tells you what you should and shouldn't be doing with families. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is probably subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so that you get alerts when we update the products. From time to time, we update products. Once we release something, we wait for user feedback. And if there's any bugs or user requests, we'll usually do bug fixes or we'll do large updates. So if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you'll see when we make those. You'll also be alerted if we make new videos about your product that you've bought. So go ahead and do that. And then the last big button down at the bottom here is these tutorials that you're watching now. If you ever want to get back to these on YouTube, you can click here and it will take you to the playlist that has all the videos about these particular families. Next thing you can read through is the commercial license agreement. It's a big legal document that you are bound to just by downloading and using these products. So you might want to look through there. The very top section is a summary, a bulleted list to kind of help summarize it. And then the actual legal language is after that. Then after that, let's skip the mechanical example file for a second. Let's look at this other PDF. This is the catalog file. So our families now, this is a newer thing we're trying to do, is make sure we have a catalog with every product. Some of our older products don't have this yet, but we will be instituting it everywhere. But basically, it's a PDF document that just displays every family that is in your download so that you can easily find the stuff you want. So it gives you, this particular one gives you all of the families in elevation and in plan. Not all of them do the plan view. And then we give the name underneath it of what it is. So if you ever need to come find a family and you just want a quick visual, you can do that there. The other way you can see what families look like, and you can maybe pick from them, is just open up this example file, this .rvt. So it's a project file. And if you open it, it will look like this. So this is the mechanical example file. It has every family that you just bought displayed in a project. So if you had your project open that you were working on, you could open this and just copy and paste from this project into your project. I try to put all the text in 3D so that you can also see what everything's named. And then you're free to grab it. So if you have a fireplace bundle or just the fireplace families, this is what your example file looks like. And if you bought the bundle with both the mechanical and the fireplaces, you'll have everything in here and then some examples for some of the fireplaces. All right, so that's everything that comes in your download and what it's for. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy modeling.